Annyeonghaseyo, peace here, a K-influencer, and I study Korean here at the King Sejong Institute in Nairobi. And today I'm so excited to take you on a journey through the heart of Korean culture, from Hangul, which is the Korean language alphabet, to the energy of K-pop and the soul of Korean traditional music. Did you know that Hangul is considered to be one of the easiest writing systems to learn? Hangul was created by King Sejong the Great in the 15th century so that everyone, not just scholars, could read and write it. At the time, Korean was written with complex Chinese characters, which was difficult for most people. As a new learner, Hangul might seem intimidating at first, but its design is actually based on shapes our mouths make when we speak. That makes it simple, logical, and even fun to learn. Let us see if my classmates can answer these Hangul trivia questions.
저는 PC입니다. And we are here to do like a few questions for my channel. I'm gonna ask you K-pop and Hangul questions. Are you ready?
네.
네, 네. Which K-drama title is written as?
모르겠어.
Second question. This is easy.
BTS.
BTS. Yeah. What's the name? The name is Bangtan Soyeonda. Next question. Can you write Kenyan in Hangul?
Let's go.
Yaman!
You go. Let's go.
How many basic letters does Hangul have?
40! Hangul has a total of 40 characters. The basic characters are 24, with 14 consonants and 10 vowels. Now, Korean culture isn't just about history. It's alive and thriving in today's K-pop, fashion, and more. I attended our school's K-pop dance rehearsals, and it was so heartwarming. There was so much fun, joy, and laughter. I am not a dancer myself, but watching them killing it made me want to join in. Do you know the Killing It girl choreography? Let me know in the comment section. Let's now explore Korean deep roots in traditional arts.
안녕하세요.
할머니.
동아리.
Salmul Nori is a genre of Korean percussion musical performance. Salmul means four objects and Nori means play. Salmul Nori is performed using four instruments: ching, changu, puk, and kwangwari. Salmul Nori is performed using strong synchronized rhythms with each instrument echoing the story of Korean past.
안녕하세요. 제 이름은 피비라고 합니다.
안녕하세요. 아슐리입니다.
창구 연주합니다.
네, 안녕하세요. 시라고 합니다. 진 연주합니다.
안녕하세요. 아슐리입니다. 북 연주합니다.
안녕하세요. 캐서린이라고 합니다. 끈가루를 연주하고 있습니다.
Studying Korean and experiencing a mixture of both tradition and modern culture has been so rewarding. So if you're curious about the Korean culture and you'd like to learn, do not let anyone stop you. There is so much to explore. Anyway, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for joining me, and do not forget to subscribe for more Korean culture insights and experiences.
안녕.